Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Disco Kitty, the Crappy Crafter. Today we're going to be trying out some craft kits. They are candle kits. I have two of them. They're basically the same thing. It seems like they're just a whole bunch of wax beads that will layer like sand, and yeah, so make your own layered scented candles. So this one, red is Berry Blast, blue is Blueberry Bliss, and green is Pineapple. Okay, maybe the colors don't correspond. We'll find out when we get into it. Let's see, and this one is... I can't remember if this one was scented or not. It just says calming candles, so it may not be scented. But, I don't remember where I got them. I want to say I got them from Five Below. I'll leave it here if that's where I got them. If I could find where I got them, I'll put that there. And, well, let's just get right into it. Okay, so yeah, I had a bit of an issue. I thought I recorded both boxes. I know I did both boxes because they had all the exact same like ingredients. They had 3 scents. They had 3 little jars that were all the same. They had the little pokey thing, tool thing, you know, the same wicks, the same kind of wax, although one of them was, well, they were just all the same. But you know what? That's okay. I mean, how interesting could it possibly be? They didn't compare, not really, because they were basically the same kit, which is fine. You only need to watch one. And why they decided to print white on yellow, I have no idea, but that first one, the pineapple one, was so hard to read. But this kit is super simple. I would highly recommend it for, you know, like kids and stuff. They give you so much wax. You could probably fill the jars, each jar twice, with the amount of wax they give you. So much wax. But there, you could see I was comparing the 2 waxes, and you could definitely tell that I had already done one of the boxes. I have no idea where the footage is. No idea. The first box, the wax was not clumpy at all. This box, the wax was a little clumpy. So there had to have been something different in it, but they broke up just fine. When I first got them, I thought that the fragrance was part of the wax in one kit, and then it was in little droppers in the second kit. But it turned out that they were just little droppers regardless, which is fine. It's just kind of weird. And it didn't say how much to put in, so I put in a bunch. Not so much of the pineapple because it was the one that had leaked all over the inside of the box. And honestly, they don't smell very much because when I opened the box, I didn't notice that it had leaked all over the inside of the box because it didn't really smell, like, at all. So I had no idea. But doing this is very fun. It's very relaxing. It doesn't take a lot of time. If you just want a little like 20-30 minute project, this is for you. It was good. I had a good time. It makes me want to think about getting into like actual sand art, you know, in jars. But whew, I do not need another craft project. I have markers, and I have craft kits, and I have painting on squishies, which I haven't done in a really long time, and I should do that. You know, I have a lot of projects going already. I don't need more. I mean, unless you think I need more. Ha! The answer is still, I don't need more. Oh, I didn't notice that before. Is there a sticker on the bottom of that jar? I think there is. Some kind of writing, right? I wasn't the only one that saw that, right? That's just weird. Certainly didn't see it when I was using the kit. Does blueberry have a scent? I've never really noticed. I'm sure the flowers have a scent, but I've never really sniffed them. And the oil that had leaked out made sure that all of the labels fell off. So if I ever want to use what's left of these, it's gonna be a surprise. Although, like I said, they basically had no scent anyways. I couldn't tell any. I mean, they were fun. Probably just want to use your own essential oils. I mean, for a $5 kit, these were from Five Below. Keep that in mind. Cheap kits. I like cheap kits. I really like this jar the best. This little, round bowl jar. I like it a lot. And I'm so happy I have 2 of them. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them, but I'm going to do something with them. After I get the wax out. I may or may not decide to burn them. I have no idea. I haven't yet. So simple, so relaxing. You could definitely take this to the next level and do like art and stuff with these. Like they do with sand, art. Not me. I don't have the time. Oh, I have the time. I don't have the patience. Definitely don't have the patience. And they're done. Oh, right. One of the 2 kits came with stickers. Yeah. Stickers. I put the stickers on at least 3 of the jars. But they're plastic stickers, which is nice. But some of these jars are round and it just doesn't work. Whatever. Here they are. Complete with stickers that you can barely see. But that's from the first box. And you can see I tried poking. This is from the second box, and I didn't try using the pokey thing because when you dump the oils in on the wax, it just makes them very sticky and clumpy. Well, that was certainly a thing. I think this would be a great craft kit for some kids or adults if you're feeling creative and you don't really want to put a lot of effort into it. Sorry, that was really loud. So, the first one didn't go so well. Look, that's the sticker. Can you see the sticker? I can't see the sticker. And even in real life, it's hard to see the sticker. So, sticker... Where's the sticker? Here's the sticker. Can't see it, though. But hey, you know what? So, this was the first kit. I shouldn't have been surprised when I opened the second kit and it was exactly the same little jars, but I think I did better in my second round. I tried to keep it less fancy, and you can see here, I don't know if you can see it on there, I can see it because the light is flowing through the glass and there's liquid right here, so that'll be interesting. But yeah, I mean, it was fun. It was relaxing. I had a good time. I would highly recommend it. They were good kits. So, yeah. With that being said, I was really surprised that all the wax was basically the same, even though it was rebranded to 2 different companies. I was surprised that all the glass was the same, even though it's supposedly 2 different companies. Let's check. I don't know why I was surprised, because you can see clearly on the front of the box clearly see what shape they are. Let's see. Dreamy Craft. That's all it says, is just Dreamy Craft. I can't find any kind of maker's mark beyond Dreamy Craft. And that one was for 3 and over. No, it makes 3 candles. It's 8 and over because there's fire. Fire! Anyways, so this is Crafted by You. Is 8+. Burn the candle within sight. Don't do it in another room. But yeah, they're basically the same kit, and you know what? I'm fine with that because I didn't pay a lot for them and I had fun doing them and they were relaxing. At some point, I may or may not try to burn one just to see how it'll go. If I do, well, I probably would have already shown that. So, yeah. I recommend it. It was fun and entertaining. So there's that. Until next week, stay safe.